Schaefer here. Quick Saturday morning video for you guys. I just got a really cool coin in, one that I have never personally owned, and I think is fair to say is pretty scarce for really anybody to own. This is an 1868 3-cent silver piece that I believe is mint state. This is one of those issues where mint states are much harder than proofs. In fact, there's only a mintage of 3,500 mint state 1868s, with a survival estimate of about 200 pieces in any condition. This is certainly going to fall in the low end of the condition census. The coin does have a number of issues. I'm going to go ahead and flip it to the back so you guys can see the back as well. It does have basically... Oh, be careful here picking this up. I'm going to pause the video real quick. Sorry about that. Of course, people in the era called these fish scales because they were so hard. They were so small and hard to handle. So I think, you know, as you can see, I was kind of fumbling trying to pick it up. I didn't know how long it was going to last. But anyways, you can see coin does have just a little bit of a bend in the surface and does have some issues. So it's obviously going to grade with comments. I don't know exactly. I mean, you can call it whatever you want. It could be damaged, bent. I guess it could be cleaned. You know, it could receive a cleaned qualifier as well. It's hard to say exactly, but certainly going to be on the lower end of that condition census of what's available. But nonetheless, not a coin you see very often. Not at all. And I think that even in a details holder, this coin should bring a surprisingly substantial premium. There's not really any auction data to even compare. The last one was for a 58 in July of 2015, which again, we're talking kind of apples and oranges to compare this to an AU58. But that one brought 5,400, and then there was a 55 before that brought 4,700. So, you know, it's obviously going to fall way under those auctions, but it could break 4 digits. I mean, just as the overall scarcity of the coin. You know, I think somebody is going to want this as a hole filler for the very challenging set of 3-cent silvers. And really, overall, it's a wholesome example. The surfaces are decent looking. And, you know, of course, I don't know, I can't verify for sure that it's a mint state until I've sent it in. It appears to be, to me, just based on the fact that the coin looks circulated. Now, it could be a circulated proof, but typically on a circulated proof, you do see a little bit of the proof features underneath. You know, a little bit of PL popping out or some sharpness of strike. This kind of just doesn't exhibit the features I would like to see in a circulated proof. So, we'll see how grading comes on this. Should be available soon. Probably going to send it in regular at the beginning of this coming week. So, look forward to this one coming back. Just wanted to share this cool coin with you guys today. Thanks.